you go again. You say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives you mad. It's the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had and what you lost. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say when they will come and they will go, and rain washes you clean. You know you'll each metal know. So on. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you for hopefully another interesting lesson. This one is obviously Fleetwood Mac's song called Dreams from the Rumours album. Okay, standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as on the Rumours album. Okay, obviously a lot of multi-tracking going on and sound effects and what have you on this, so this is a very simplified version, okay, for a single acoustic guitar, unless you've got a friend who can add some bits for you. Okay, so let's get to it. So the introduction, for the main part of this song, you're playing two chords, F major 7th, so that's an F chord with the bar lifted up, so the top E string is open, 3-fingered F major 7th. I tend to play 4-fingered F major 7th, this third finger up to the 3rd fret on the 5th string, the A string, and my pinky playing the 3rd fret of the 4th string. Then I can play from 5 down to 1, gives me a bit more bass content. Okay, and the second chord is G, so F major 7th to G is the majority of the song. Okay, so, and it's the bass is very prominent on this track, and it's boom, so it's boom, 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 that sort of thing. So mainly downstrokes the way I play it. Okay, so let's just do the intro. So F major 7th to G. Okay, so it's boom. So what I'm doing there is that bum bum, so bum bum G. That's what, to try and get the timing right, because obviously, you know, it's played on multiple instruments, so you have to try and make the timing work for you. So I do that, and then I do this, sliding up from the 3rd fret of the 2nd string to the 5th fret of the 2nd string and back again to the 3rd fret. I'm using my pinky, but you use whatever finger is more suitable for you. Okay, so, and then finally the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and then you go back to the F major 7th to the G again. Okay, so it's, and back to the F major 7th to G, exactly the same again. Except the riff is slightly different. This time 2nd fret 3rd string to 4th fret 3rd string and back again, and then an open 3rd string, and then back to the F major 7th again. So far we've got this very slowly. the F major 7th again, and then just on this one, just a single strum on the G when you get to the G, because you haven't got a lot of time on this. And then what you do with this last phrase, I'm playing an open 4th string, hammering into the 2nd fret, then the open 4th string again, then the 3rd fret of the 5th string, and then back to the F major 7th, and leave the A string open the first. So it's, you can do either leave the A string open at that point and play the F major 7th if you want. Just play a simple F major 7th with an open A string, or you can just go straight back into the 4-fingered F major 7th. Okay, whichever you want to do. The actual note is the A string open, see, so. But I tend to go back to the chord, 4-fingered chord. Okay, and then the singing starts at that point. Okay, so let's just go through the intro again slowly. F major 7th to G. Now here, and this is the bum bum bum. So that sort of thing. Okay. So now here you go again. You say you want your freedom. Okay. At that point, I do another of those little same one you started with. 2nd string, slide up from 3rd fret to 5th, back again, 1st fret of the 2nd string. Okay, so now here you go again. You say you want your freedom, and da 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 da. And then the last one you did, hammering up from the 4th fret, 2nd fret, open 4th, 3rd fret, 5th string, and then back to the F major 7th to the G. Okay, so from the beginning of the verse, now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to get you down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness. Okay, so it's all F minor, F major 7th to G, all the way through that first verse, and all the verses. Okay, got that? So from the beginning, let's go from the beginning, and then we'll go into the sort of chorusy bit, pre-chorus and chorus. Okay. So, from the beginning. Now here you go again, you say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to rape you down? Listen carefully to the sound of loneliness. Okay, got that so far? Right, now comes the pre-chorus. Now this is a series of chords, F major 7th, and it's bum, ba bum, and it's the same sort of beat, bum, ba bum, and it's F major 7th to G7. Because it's got, what happens is, if you listen to the record, there's like a that sort of thing going on all the time. But obviously you could do it by just picking those notes, but it's a bit thin as a backing, so I tended to strum it instead. So it's F major 7th, G7, and then an F with an added, so a straightforward F chord, full F chord, but with your pinky on the 3rd fret of the top E string. That's an F added 9. Should sound like that. And so it's F major 7th, G7th, F added 9, back to the G7. Okay, so it's like a heartache, that you made in the stillness of remembering. And just keep doing that all the way through the pre-chorus, okay? What you had, what you lost, and that sort of thing. It just goes round and round and round, okay? Those 3 chords. F major 7th, G7th, F added 9, back to G7th, okay? So let's just come out of that first verse and go in through that bit. So let's just do listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartache drives you mad, in the stillness of the memory that you had, what you lost, what you had, what you lost. And then we get to the chorus, okay, which is back to the F major 7th and G. Thunder happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say when they will come and they will go. Rain washes you clean, you will know. You will know. And it goes into the actual solo, okay? That goes. Happy. And then the chords behind that are F major 7th, da, da, G, da, 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 stay there, da, 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 back to F major 7th, A minor, da, 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 G, da, 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 and back in another verse, okay? So let's just go through that middle section again. I'll show you the actual notes for the solo in a minute. Okay, so F major 7th, da, 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 G, da, 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 F, G, da, 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 F major 7th, A minor, da, 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 G, da, 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 G, da, 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 F major 7th, da, 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 da. Da, 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 back into the next verse, okay? So, the solo itself starts up, and well, the way I play it, I'll show you it anyway, is 8th fret of the top E string, and then I'm playing the 10th fret of the 2nd string, pulling off to the 8th fret and back to the 10th fret. And then 2 hits on that 10th fret of the 2nd string. So it's okay. So then the 7th fret of the 3rd string. Okay. Okay. So that's okay. Then we play 10th fret 2nd string, 8th fret 2nd string, 7th fret 3rd string, 5th fret 2nd string, 3rd string, what am I talking about? So let's do this bit again. 10th fret 2nd string, 8th fret 2nd string, 7th fret 3rd string, 5th fret 3rd string, and then 7th fret 4th string. That's the first phrase, okay? So second phrase is very similar, a little bit different at the end. Same at the beginning of it, exactly the same as the first time round. But the second time round, when you come out the second bit of it, 10th fret of the second string, 8th fret of the second string, and then we go straight to the 5th fret of the third string, 7th fret 3rd string, 7th fret 4th string. So second time round. It's the other. This bit on the end is the other way round the second time. So the first time, second time, okay, so a slight difference at the end there. And then you just got this final bit, which is that. Basically, it's like an A minor 7th, and it's basically if you want to play a chord shape, it's basically like a 5th fret of the first two strings. Or was it first three strings? Sorry, first three strings. 5th fret, first three strings, first finger, and then my pinky is going to the 8th fret of the second string, and my third finger is going to the 7th fret of the 4th string. Strings 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can just play it like that. 5th fret, top E string, 8th fret, second string, 5th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 4th string. Okay, so this whole normal swizz. Sorry, I made a mess of that. Let's do that one again. Repeat the second one. Back to the F major 7th to G. And there you have it. That's all there is in the song, basically. Okay, you've got all the bits you need to play it. Okay, so hopefully that'll help play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson, which will probably be another Fleetwood Mac number. Bye for now.